Hey VV Nation, welcome to our channel. My name is Glenn, Senior Stock Market Strategist for VectorVest. What if you had a way of knowing that you could feel comfortable when you're buying a stock? Would you be interested in that? Well, guess what? Here at VectorVest, we have an indicator called the Comfort Index. It is cast on a scale between 0 and 2 and will show you stocks that are resilient enough to withstand long or lengthy price declines. That is definitely a recipe for winning stocks. So this week I've gone back to something that I was doing a long time ago called the top 5 weekly picks. I'm going to do this for a while until it gets stale and then we'll do something else. But I think it's important that no matter what the market is doing, that you have an indicator that you can feel comfortable with before you buy that stock. So let's get right into the software. Here's my 5 picks for you. Now, the biggest thing that I like about these stocks, outside of all of them being buy recommendations, is that they all have high CI numbers. This means that these stocks go up more than they go down, no matter what the market is doing. Now, don't get me wrong. In a downward trending stock, in a downward trading market, I will be talking about contra ETFs for you to take a look at. But while the market is going up, our market timing signals are high or telling you it's okay to buy stocks, I'm going to concentrate on giving you the fish of high comfort index stocks. So here's my stocks. Rolls-Royce is a stock that I've been talking about. Retail, Abercrombie & Finch, and other stocks that you may or may not know about that I need you to keep your eyes on as my top 5 weekly picks. Now, you're going to notice something on Mondays. Ryan is going to put out a short about what's going on in the market for the week to prepare you, and I'm going to back it up with my top 5 weekly picks for you as well. Folks, we have you well covered in regards to finding stocks and understanding what's going on in the market. So it's going to be a combination of teaching you how to fish, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to give you the fish as well. So folks, we got you. As I go down to the bottom, overall, who are we? Well, we are a company that wants you to be buying into safe, undervalued stocks that are rising in the market in a rising market. So as I look at this, I can clearly see that fundamentally overall, relative value, relative safeties are both above 1. These stocks are in an uptrend and they all have a VST together above 1. And look at that CI. All right. Looking at the earnings growth rate of 21%. And then also looking at the sales growth rate, because earnings is the engine that drives a stock or higher. And the sales growth is the fuel to fuel the engine. Sales growth for these stocks above 17%. So I think that on a Monday weekly basis, I'm going to be presenting you with some stocks that can definitely help you to make money. If you want to keep seeing me do this video on a weekly basis, type the word yes, keep going. All right, let me know, because once it gets stale again, I'll go into something else. But there's another reason why I really wanted to push this once again. All right, and I'm going to tell you about that. Stay with me. I'm going to tell you the reason, the real true reason why I wanted to come back to this. So as I look again, all of these stocks are buy recommendations, earnings growth double digits with the exception of Marks and Spencer. All right. The sales growth all above double digits with the exception of Limbach Holdings. Let's go graph these. Now, again, on social media, a lot of people say, oh my gosh, Glenn now is moving over to the MPI and not the 3 and the 8 anymore. Well, on these sessions on Mondays, I'm going back to the 3 and the 8. Let's go look at this on a swing level. All right, no, do I want to do that? Nope, I'm going to change this to the trade level. There we go, because there's my 3 and the 8s, there's my 20 for trend, there's volume, and there's RT. All right, let's go take off the stop, though. All right, so I'm going to help you with these. Rolls-Royce rocking and rolling, the 3 and the 8 solid above the 20-day. Volume today nicely up, a little bit of indecision today. If you decide to get into this, I'd look at 5 cents higher than the high. But see this gap? I'm going to use this gap as a level of getting out at the price of about $3.51. If you're in it, leave it alone. If you're not, I'd like for you to get in 5 cents higher than the high. Next one. Wow. Abercrombie & Finch. Big, nicely moved. Gotta love this. All right. New high today. The volume concerns me a little bit, but RT is moving higher. No dividends, don't need that. Let's go look at earnings per share. There it is. There's the earnings per share. Let's go look at earnings growth. Wow, both of those look good. Let's go take off dividend. Whew. This is why it's one of my top 5 weekly picks. All right, let's go to the next one. LMB, now it's a down day today, right there at a 3-month high, challenging this level of support, sitting at 40.97. If it falls below that, I wouldn't take it. All right, but if I want to get into it, let's wait for an up day before I buy it. But look at the earnings and the earnings growth. Gotta love it. Next one, VRT, a little bit of a shooting star. Could this be a reversal? If I'm going to look at this, I'm going to look at trying to get out of it. If I get into it, get out of it when the 3 crosses below the 8, or we fall below this level of support of $44.62. But you gotta love the earnings and the earnings growth. MAKSY, Marks and Spencer, another retail company, hitting a new 3-month high. 3 and the 8 look good. Trend look good. Man, look at the earnings and the earnings growth. And that's why I like these as my top weekly picks. Now, here's the real reason why I wanted to come back to this. So back when we were doing this, I had a portfolio. The portfolio was looking at the top 5 weekly picks, and this portfolio is simply managed. Because all of the stocks are buy recommendations, if I click on edit, in this portfolio, when the stock becomes when it comes a hold, not equal to a buy, becomes a hold, we get out of it. Why I like that? Because we can take our profits early, and if the stock is going against us, we minimize losses. All right, so that's simple stop. In order to have that stop, though, you got to have the VectorVest system. If you don't have the VectorVest system, I invite you to take a trial. 99 cents, 30 days. You can follow what I'm doing here. 99 cents, 30 days. Go to www.vectorvest.com/YT. Simple system. I cherry pick the stocks for you, and all you have to do is then manage them. It's down today. I went and automatically put these stocks in here because we did it today. The video is done today, and I just bought them. I'm down about 0.3%, but overall, since the last time we did it, we're up over 20%. We were as high as 32% before all of the stocks stopped out. We've not been in for a while, all right, and now we're going to get back into it. And I want to show you one other thing. Go to reports, go to trade history. We only traded the 5 stocks at the time when we put these stocks in. Double-digit winners, each and every stock. And that's because we did simply the stop of recommendation not equal to a buy. Double-digit gains. All right, so I wanted to make sure we get back to this. And on Mondays, again, if you want to see me do this every Monday, you make sure you put yes, continue. I think that's what I said. Anyway, with that, thank you folks for joining me for this evening's video. All right, hope you like it. And my job is to help you, to teach you how to fish, give you the fish. This is a give you the fish. Every Monday, we're going to give you the fish. If you're brand new to the channel and you want to make sure you catch videos like this, hit the subscribe button, hit the button, the bell button. Hit the bell button so you'll be alerted. If you like the content, you like this video, and you're already a subscriber, don't forget to hit the like button and share this content. Folks, this video is over. And until the next time, see ya. We have a lot of educational courses that you can take advantage of. And right now, we're giving you up to 70% off on select holiday courses. Simply go to www.vectorvest.com/holiday courses. And of course, if you're not a subscriber to the VectorVest software, we would love to give you a gift as well. You want to take advantage of a 30-day trial to VectorVest for 99 cents? Simply go to www.vectorvest.com/holiday. Folks, we want to help you reach financial freedom, and this is the best way we can do it during the holiday season. So take advantage of these deals and do it now. Happy holidays.